Social media distraction is a widespread issue in today's digital age, impacting individuals across all age groups and professional backgrounds. The advent of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Snapchat has revolutionized how we interact with the world, but it has also created an environment where constant connectivity can lead to significant disruptions in focus, productivity, and mental well-being. Social media platforms are designed to capture users' attention, using algorithms that prioritize content based on what users engage with most. This creates an environment where users are continuously bombarded with notifications, likes, comments, and updates, all of which encourage them to check their devices frequently. The fear of missing out, FOMO, also plays a crucial role, as people feel the urge to stay updated on everything happening in their networks. Moreover, features like infinite scrolling and autoplay videos are specifically designed to keep users engaged for as long as possible, often without them realizing how much time has passed. This leads to a loss of control over time management, making it difficult to switch off from these platforms when one intends to focus on other tasks. The most immediate effect of social media distraction is reduced productivity. Whether it's during work, study, or household chores, social media often competes for attention, leading to a lack of concentration. Individuals might find themselves checking notifications or scrolling through feeds while they should be focused on important tasks. Even if someone consciously tries to avoid social media distractions, the mere presence of a phone or a device within reach can lower the ability to focus on the task at hand. Studies have shown that the brain's cognitive load increases when we constantly switch between tasks, and it takes longer to regain full focus after a social media interruption. In professional environments, this leads to missed deadlines, subpar work quality, and in the long term, job dissatisfaction. In educational settings, it can result in poor academic performance, with students frequently turning to their phones or laptops for social media use instead of studying. As a result, students and professionals alike often feel that they are not achieving their potential or making the most of their time. Beyond productivity, excessive use of social media can have detrimental effects on mental health. Constant exposure to carefully curated content that highlights others' achievements, vacations, relationships, and lifestyles can lead to feelings of inadequacy, anxiety, and low self-esteem. This sense of comparison is often referred to as social comparison theory, where individuals evaluate themselves against the success and happiness of others, leading to negative emotions. The pressure to maintain an idealized online persona can also cause stress. This is particularly evident among teenagers and young adults, who are more susceptible to the pressures of likes, comments, and online validation. Over time, excessive use of social media has been linked to issues like depression, loneliness, and even sleep disorders. The constant checking for updates or engaging with content before bedtime can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to fatigue and further mental health concerns. For some individuals, the use of social media goes beyond mere distraction and becomes an addictive behavior. Social media addiction is characterized by the compulsive need to check platforms, often to the detriment of one's responsibilities, relationships, and well-being. Similar to other forms of addiction, users may experience withdrawal symptoms when unable to access social media, such as irritability, anxiety, and restlessness. This cycle can be damaging both to the individual and their social circles. Given the powerful impact of social media distraction, it is essential to develop strategies to manage and mitigate its effects. Set boundaries. One of the most effective ways to reduce social media distractions is by setting clear boundaries around usage. This could mean limiting the time spent on social media platforms each day or allocating specific times for checking your accounts. For example, setting a no social media rule during work or study hours can help increase focus. Use productivity tools. There are many apps and browser extensions designed to block social media sites or limit screen time, such as Forest, Freedom, or Stayfocus. These tools can help create a distraction-free environment, especially when deep concentration is needed for work or study. Turn off notifications. Constant notifications are a major source of social media distraction. Disabling notifications for non-essential apps or setting your phone to Do Not Disturb mode can prevent the constant interruption of your workflow. Mindful social media use. Being more intentional about how and when you use social media can help you gain control over your habits. Rather than mindlessly scrolling through feeds, set specific times for checking updates or engage with content that adds value to your life, such as educational material or positive, meaningful posts. Digital detox. Regularly taking breaks from social media can be incredibly beneficial for mental clarity and overall well being. Whether it's taking a weekend off social media or having specific, offline, days throughout the month, a digital detox can help reset your relationship with technology. Engage in offline activities. Balancing digital and offline activities is key to reducing social media distraction. Hobbies like reading, exercise, spending time with friends and family, or engaging in creative pursuits can provide fulfilling experiences that don't rely on screen time. Social media distraction is a pervasive issue that can affect productivity, mental health, and overall well being. While these platforms offer various benefits in terms of connectivity and entertainment, their design makes it all too easy to lose track of time and priorities. Recognizing the impact of social media distraction and adopting strategies to limit its influence can help individuals regain control of their time, focus, and mental health. Social media does not have to be inherently negative, but mindful use and setting clear boundaries can help users harness its potential without falling into the trap of constant distraction.